In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row in Excel using a keyboard shortcut. Let's dive right into the world of Excel, a powerful tool that we often find ourselves navigating through for various tasks, including inserting new rows into our spreadsheets. Now, you might typically go the traditional route of right-clicking and finding the Insert option, but did you know there's a sleek, time-saving keyboard shortcut to achieve this? This method streamlines your workflow and keeps your hands on the keyboard, which is particularly useful when you're handling large data sets or working against the clock. To kick things off, you'll need to have access to Excel. For those of you without the software installed on your computer, worry not. Microsoft provides a free online version of Excel through Microsoft 365 Online, encompassing Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So head over to the Microsoft 365 Online page. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. If you've never used Microsoft services before, you might need to create an account, but it's a straightforward process. Simply click on the Sign In button and you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your email. If you're new, just follow the prompt to set up an account. For returning users, type in your email and move forward. After entering your email, you'll be asked to click on Next. This is standard procedure for online services, verifying one step at a time to secure your account information. Following this, you might be prompted to enter your password or possibly verify your identity with a two-factor authentication process if you have that set up. It adds that extra layer of security to ensure that your data is safe. Once you're signed in, it's time to get down to business with Excel. You're likely going to be working on an existing spreadsheet, so navigate to where your Excel files are stored within the Microsoft ecosystem. In this example, we'll be working on the example.xlx. Go ahead and open this file from your list of saved documents. Now, here comes the crucial part. Find the place in your spreadsheet where you wish to insert a new row. It could be in between existing rows of data where you want to add more information. Once you've clicked on the row below where you want the new row to appear, here's the magic shortcut. Press Ctrl or CMD on Mac, Shift, and the plus sign, all at once. This combination tells Excel, hey, I need a new row right here, please. And just like that, Excel will insert a new row above the selected row, pushing any existing data down. This shortcut not only saves you time, but keeps you in the flow of work, especially when you're dealing with many rows of data and need to maintain focus. A small tip to remember is that this shortcut will insert a row based on where your cursor is located in the sheet. Meaning, if you select an entire row by clicking on the row number to the far left, Excel will insert a new row directly above your selection. However, if your cursor is in a specific cell within a row, Excel will prompt you with options on where exactly you want to insert your new cells, including the choice of inserting an entire row. And there you have it. A simple yet incredibly effective way to insert new rows into your Excel spreadsheets without ever having to take your hands off the keyboard. It's little shortcuts like these that can make navigating Excel a breeze and significantly enhance your productivity. Remember, mastering Excel is all about learning these shortcuts and tricks that save time and streamline your workflow. Keep practicing, explore more shortcuts, and before you know it, you'll be handling Excel like a pro. Thanks for joining me today and happy excelling.